Hello class. There's some kind of difficult questions in section 1.8. I'm going to go through one of them, and one of them, basically they're on PEMDAS, which is the order of operations, which is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, and then addition, subtraction. So multiplication and division, you're going to do at the same level, just go left to right. So if you had something like 6 divided by 3 times 2, you would do 6 divided by 3, which is 2, and then times 2, which is 4. You wouldn't do the 3 times 2, which is 6, and then 6 divided by 6, which is 1. Some people do mess up and do all the multiplications before divisions, but just do them on the same level from left to right. So here, the question is 2, and it's times, and then all of this part is the absolute value of 2 minus, and then in parentheses 13 plus 4 squared, and then plus 5. So we're going to do the very inner parentheses first. And in the parentheses, we see that we have an exponent. So we have to do that exponent before the addition. So we're going to have 2, absolute value 2 minus 13 plus 4 squared is 16, close the parentheses, absolute value, plus 5. Now we can do the 13 plus 16, which is 29. So 2, absolute value, 2 minus 29, close the absolute value, plus 5. Now we're going to do what's inside the absolute value. So 2, then absolute value, 2 minus 29 is negative 27. Close the absolute value, plus 5. Okay, so when you do the absolute value, remember the absolute value is always going to be a positive number. So this is going to become 2 times positive 27 plus 5. 2 times 27 is 54 plus 5, and that equals 59. So this is a question that could be confusing for some of you. So I'm going to go through it again. The inside of the parentheses is what we're going to do first. And in there we have an exponent, so we need to do that first. And 4 squared is 16. So we're going to have 2, absolute value of 2 minus, in parentheses, 13 plus 16. Close the absolute value, and then plus 5. And then we're going to do the 13 plus 16 because there's some parentheses around them. And so 13 plus 16 is 29. So we're going to have 2 times absolute value of 2 minus 29. Close the absolute value, and then plus 5. Do what's inside the absolute value. 2 minus 29 is negative 27. And then we're going to have 2 times, or we're going to do the absolute value of negative 27, which is just positive 27. And then 2 times 27 is 54. Add 5 to that, and we get 59. And this again is in section 1.8. You'll be seeing these. So I hope you do well on these. If you have any questions, just let me know.